Before adding in the curly hair, you want to make sure you oil, especially all in those parts where the braids are very close together, because you want to make sure that the scalp is moisturized. Then I'm doing the invisible method, which is basically not showing the knot on the other side. And I do that throughout that first perimeter braid that I did when we first started this hairstyle. And then after that, I do it the normal latch hook crochet way. But I wanted to give you guys a close up. If you want to see a more in-depth video of that, please let me know in the comments section, and I'll try to slow it down and explain more of what I am doing. When I am doing the back, that braid that was left off that I tucked in, I use small pieces of latch hook crochet here, which is the free tress beach curl, and I just do the knots. But I really anchor in and I tie all these things together, as you can see I'm doing with the hook. And I just basically make sure that it's glued in place, in a sense, without the glue. But I make sure that it's not going to move and that the braid is going to be really anchored in with this hairstyle. I thought I said I did a color 2. I also did a color 4s. My daughter's hair has some light hints of brown, so I added the natural brown color, which is a 2, and a 4 for her hair color. And she is not getting beads. She said I'm too old for beads, so the curls work best for the Fulani top. Well, I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments and what you used if you accomplished this hairstyle. If you want to know all the supplies that I use, I have them listed in the description box. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, follow me on all my platforms, like, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and hair grease.